How to use a pulse oximeter at home. A pulse oximeter is a device that checks to see how much oxygen your blood is carrying. The device shines a light beam through the skin. It estimates your oxygen level by measuring the percentage of your blood that's carrying oxygen. Your oxygen level, or oxygen saturation, SpO2, shows on the display screen. With the current pandemic, it's a good idea for some people to use one at home. This may include people who have a condition that affects their oxygen levels. Your doctor may suggest checking your oxygen level at home. How do you use a pulse oximeter? Turn on the pulse oximeter. Clip it on the end of a finger, with your nail facing up. You'll see the results in a few seconds. The device gives two results: your blood oxygen level, SpO2, and your pulse rate, PR. Your doctor can help you know what numbers are normal for you. The device may not show any results if you have cold hands, or you wear nail polish or artificial nails. Warm your hand, remove the nail polish or nail, or try a different finger. Your doctor may suggest checking your oxygen level 2 times a day, during exercise, or anytime your symptoms get worse. Keep a record of your levels in case you need to show it to your doctor. When should you call for help? Your doctor probably told you what numbers to watch for when you use your pulse oximeter. If not, here is some guidance. Call your doctor if your blood oxygen level, SpO2, drops below 95%. This is true even if the number only drops when you're active. Watch closely for changes in your health, and be sure to contact your doctor if your numbers are of concern. And this will help you will get better at the earliest.